Hi. Hello. Welcome to our channel, the BHIM Academy, your one-stop destination for all competitive examinations. Today, in this video, we will discuss how to download the PG KCET answer key for 2023 from the official website. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to the BHIM Academy channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss out on updates from us. Without wasting time, let's begin. Pushpin steps to download PG KCET answer key. Visit the official KCET website. We will start by guiding you to the official KCET website where the answer keys are published. The official PG KCET answer keys for MBA, MCA, MTech, and M.Arch courses have just been released. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of downloading these answer keys so you can check your performance and get one step closer to your postgraduate dreams. Navigate to the Admission tab. In that section, there is a section called PGCET 2023. Click on it. Then, we can find the link for the PGCET 2023 Provisional Key Answer published today. Next, choose your course. Depending on the course you applied for, download the answer key. If there is a server error, I have already downloaded answer key for MCA. Thank you for watching the video. For more content like this, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with your friends.